controllability is very important in how much we respond. So if we have a sense of control over the event, we have a less, most people have less of a stress response. You feel more, okay, I can handle this. So that's a good thing. And they've done it with, rats and mice, the poor things, but they're through studies with them as well as, of course, studies with humans. That tends to be the case. Predictability, same for the poor little rat or mouse who's being tested. Say, for example, they're giving them shocks on their tiny little delicate feet. If the little guy or girl knows how often or when it's going to happen, if it's predictable, the stress levels that this little creature experiences, or a human, is less. Makes sense, right? With this little piece of knowledge, for example, I remember years ago after I first read about it, I was like, yeah, well, that makes sense. So next time I went to the dentist, I asked him, can you let me know, how many shots I'm going to get today, or how long will the drilling last, or can I just know information? If you let me know information, my stress levels will be lower, based on research. And so he did. Every dentist I've had, every new dentist, I'll tell them that, and they comply, and it helps. You imagine, you don't know, okay, am I going to get shot? Is he going to keep giving me shots, or is he going to drill? How long is he going to drill for? How long is this going to go on? So it does make it more stressful. And if I know, it's like, okay, I'll get 2 shots, then it's over. Then it's going to get better. It's helpful. So the little rats showed the same thing. If they knew they're going to get shocked once a day, right before lunch, it's like, okay, I'll deal with it. Like, no, I just happens once. That's how smart they are too. They know the future, and they can plan ahead. So there's little stress levels. Their cortisol, different ways of measuring was lower.